I like your style.
Hey, I like your shirt.
Thanks. It's new. I got it last week.
Huh, did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Really? That did not cost too much at all.
Yeah, it's a good price.
Huh. Do you like to wear hats?
Yeah, I like to wear hats. But only in the winter time, when it is cold.
Do you like to wear jewelry?
I just have this necklace that my girlfriend gave to me.
Aww. What do you think about fashion?
I think it is important to be in fashion.
Do you have a pierced ear?
No, I do not have a pierced ear.
Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, I do.
Huh, what is the tattoo of?
It's a big blue scary monster.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
Wow, can I see it?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, here's my tattoo.
Thank you. You're not that handsome, but you look okay.
Wow, thanks.
Juanita, is my aunt here?
No, she isn't. She should be in around 10. Here's some menus. Can I get you anything to drink?
I'll have coffee, please.
Okay, would you like sugar and milk?
I like my coffee black.
Okay, 1 black coffee.
I'll have fresh squeezed orange juice, please.
We don't have any orange juice. I'll be right back.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like a large breakfast.
I like a large lunch.
Large lunch makes me sleepy.
Anyway, what do you recommend for breakfast?
The pancakes are good.
Pancakes. Delicious. What else?
Do you like eggs?
Yes, I like eggs.
Well, you could have some scrambled eggs with toast.
Ooh, or sunny side up eggs. Yummy.
Or sunny side up, right? Or an omelet.
Omelets. I love omelets. Cheese omelets, ham omelets, vegetable omelets.
Mixed fruit. Mixed fruit with yogurt makes a good breakfast.
That's right. And fruit has many vitamins too. What else?
What else? You could have a cup of coffee and a blueberry muffin.
Muffin. And a cup of coffee. Sounds good.
So, do you know what you want to get?
Yes, I do. And thank you for your recommendations.
Oh, you're welcome. So, what will you get?
A hamburger.
A hamburger?
Yes. And ice cream.
Here is your coffee, Al.
Thank you.
And here's your water.
Thank you.
You guys ready to order?
What do you like to have for breakfast?
Usually like to have an omelet.
That sounds good. I'll have a cheese omelet.
Okay, one omelet.
Do you have pancakes?
Yes, how many would you like?
3, please.
3 pancakes. Would you like toast?
Toast. Toast sounds good. Yes, 3 pieces of toast.
Would you like anything else?
Do you have any fresh fruit?
Yes, today we have fruit salad.
Okay, fruit salad, and that's all.
Fruit salad. How about you, Bob? What would you like to eat?
I would like hamburger and ice cream.
Excuse me?
I would like hamburger and ice cream, please.
A hamburger and ice cream for breakfast? Are you crazy?
No, I'm hungry.
Okay, one hamburger. What kind of ice cream do you want?
What kind of ice cream do you have?
Let's see, we have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry.
Vanilla, please.
Vanilla. Okay.
That was a good breakfast.
Yes, it was. Are you full?
I'm very full.
You ate a lot.
I was so hungry, I could have eaten a horse. Ha ha ha. Ah, that reminds me. What are we doing today?
Let's go see a movie.
Let's pay the bill first.
Then we'll go see a movie.
Okay, we'll see a movie.
Juanita, check please.
Okay, just a moment. Would you guys like to pay together or separate?
Oh my God. I forgot my money.
Oh, that's okay. I have enough. Together, please.
Okay. The total for your breakfast is $10.30.
My aunt usually gives me a 50% discount.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. That'll be $5.15.
Here's $7. You can keep the change.
Really? Keep the change?
Yes, it's a tip for you.
Thank you, Al.
Yeah, thanks, Al. I'll pay you back when we get to an ATM.
Don't worry, it's just breakfast.
I'll get lunch.
Are you sure? I eat a lot.
Ooh, I forgot about that.
The first time to meet.
Alex,
Hey!
this is my friend Bob. He's from England. Hey! Excuse me, okay?
Sit down, please. What city in England do you come from?
I come from London. Have you ever been there?
No, I've never been. I hope to go someday.
You can if you have true desire.
Have you been here a long time?
I've been here for about 7 years. How about you?
I've been here all my life. Why have you stayed here such a long time?
I've stayed here for many reasons.
Stayed for many reasons. Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Is your wife beautiful?
Would you like to see a picture of my wife?
That would be nice. Oh, she's very lovely. Is she from around here?
Thank you. Yes, she is from here.
Do you have any children?
No children yet, but certainly in the future.
Where do you work?
I work at the newspaper.
Wow, the newspaper. What do you do there?
I am a reporter.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please subscribe channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.